Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arnata Nur Rashid. I'm from class 15 2B07 and my number name is 15230651. In this video, I will explain about inside the computer and malicious program. Inside the computer has four main components. One is hardware component, two is software component, three is communication component, and four is data component. Hardware component. As the name suggests, hardware is something that can be touched. Computer hardware consists of CPU, memory, and input or output equipment. The CPU itself consists of three main components. One is arithmetic logic unit or ALU to perform calculation. Two is control unit or CU to control instruction processing and data movement from one part of the CPU to another. Three is interface unit or bus to move instruction and data between the CPU and other hardware. Software component. Software is composed of programs that determine what the computer should do. The computer must carry out the instruction contained in the program to obtain useful results. There are two types of software, namely system software and application software. System software. System software is useful for managing file, loading and executing program, and receiving command from the mouse or keyboard. Software systems are usually called operating system. Application software. Application software is software used to complete a job. Example of application software are Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and another Microsoft application. Data component. Data are basic facts that represent an event. Data is processed by a computer system to produce information. This is the main reason computer exists. Data can be numbered in various forms. Communication component. Communication component consists of hardware and software. Hardware. The hardware in the communication component consists of a modem or network interface card or NIC and a communication channel. Communication channel provide links between computers. This channel can be a wire cable, fiber optic cable, telephone line, or wireless technology, such as infrared ray, cellular telephone, or radio. Meanwhile, the modem or NIC in the computer acts as an interface between the computer and the communication channel. Software. Software in the communication component is used so that its computer understand what the connection computer are saying. The software is useful for building relationship and controlling data flow. Malicious program. One is what is malware, two is types of malware, three is danger of malware attack, and four is prevent and deal with malware. What is malware? Malware is an abbreviation of malicious software. Literally, malware is a program specially created to infiltrate so that it can remain in a system for a certain period of time without the knowledge of the system owner. Usually, malware disguises itself as a clean program. The effects of ordinary malicious software are much more dangerous for corporate than for personal user. If malware attack a system network, they can cause widespread damage and disruption, requiring extensive recovery effort within the organization. Types of malware. One is virus. A virus is software that drives program to reproduced within it. This means this type of malware will distribute copy of its own program in any way it can. Virus hide inside computer file and the computer has to run this file in other words, run that code in order for the virus to do its dirty work. Two is worm. Worm are small programs that replicate themselves in computer to destroy the data contained in them. They usually target operating system file and work until their drive becomes empty. Worms usually appear via email and instant message, and they limit their activity to what they can accomplish within the application that help them move. Three is Trojan. A Trojan is a malicious program that disguises itself as useful program for the computer. Trojan are spread by disguising themselves as routine software that persuade users to install the program on their computer. For its rootkit. A rootkit is a collection of software specifically designed to allow malware to collect information. This type of malware works behind the scenes so that computer user will not suspect anything. This software works like a backdoor for malware so they can enter and disrupt your computer system. Danger of malware attack. Malware, a rampant digital weapon, not only infect websites and devices, but also cause a number of adverse impacts that are worth nothing. Here are some of the negative effects of malware attack to watch out for. One is data theft. Malware can hack and steal important data such as user and password, email account, credit card information, and other financial account. Hacked data can be used for various crimes. Two is cannot access website. If malware attack a website, user access and login data can be stolen. To reduce risks, change the WordPress login URL periodically to increase security. 3 is change the operation of the website. Malware can change the operation of a website or what is usually called defacement. This can be lower a website reputation because it is filled with irrelevant content encouraging visitor to leave. Prevent and deal with malware. One is use antivirus or anti-malware software. Two is avoid clicking on random link. Three is be careful when installing software. Four is make sure the operating system is up to date. Use antivirus or anti-malware software. Install and activated antivirus or anti-malware software on the system. Make sure to perform a thorough scan periodically and enable the firewall function. 2 is avoid clicking on random links. Don't click on links or email attachments carelessly. Make sure you are sure of the content before clicking on it, especially if it comes from an unknown source. 3 is be careful when installing software. Always pay attention when installing new software. Trojan often use social tricks to enter system. Educating user about the threat is important and make sure to only install software from trusted source. 4 is make sure the operating system is up to date. Always keep operating system and software up to date. This can help prevent most rootkit infection and ensure that it has the latest version protection. Thank you for watching my video.